GCB sika korabea no de nneoma a yede ye kwan aha mienu ene tipa track aka ho de ama timeline innovation yumekuo no ne nyina ebeboa ama yakwantempɔ ho nsɛm no akɔnenim afei edwuma ebebu so ama dodo na enye bi aye. Managing Director ama sika korabea no Mr. Farhan Hassan de nenumu nsɛm etudwa ese.
Every Ghanaian knows that the big push is a huge government of Ghana intervention to address the infrastructure gap that we have in the country. Infrastructure is the backbone of every country. And so it gives me a great pleasure to tell you what we're doing with our own timelines innovations. One of the country's best contractors. We are showcasing our partnership with him. We are showcasing to the entire world what it means to be a client of GCB Bank. We have spent so far close to 5 billion Ghana cedis in supporting a big push agenda of the country. Whilst others will look elsewhere, we are telling Ghanaians we are here with you and we stand shoulder to shoulder in supporting you achieve your dreams. I was getting goosebumps when our chairman spoke about the number of jobs these 200 vehicles will create for Ghanaians. These are just direct jobs. As for the indirect jobs, you can just imagine. Beyond the jobs, it's also